in the beginning. Yeah.
You say I'm cordial. Did you look at the GIF I posted? 9 seconds long.
Yeah, sure. Let me scroll up and see it.
A few moments later.
To hold like an empirical measurement on. Okay, yeah, sure. I've seen the GIF. What about it?
Okay, so the question is, we know that the land is not moving, right? And we know that the camera, the aperture, is not moving. So my question to you is, what is the thing that's moving between the aperture and the object that's causing that visual distortion to happen?
Two things. One is the air pressure changing slightly, and the other is light changing with it, changing direction with it, I should say. Do we agree?
Well, I agree with your first. I do think it has to do with the...
The first mean the air?
Correct.
Okay.
I don't agree with you that that's how light propagates, though.
So
sorry about the noise. I don't agree that light travels. That's the problem.
Light travels. Okay.
Nope.
So we have a speed of light. How do you think we measured it?
You can tell me. You can tell me how you came to this premise, this validation of light having a speed, and how it works in real life.
Yeah, cool. So do you understand what an interferometer is? It's an apparatus. Do you understand how it works? An interferometer? Or let's say, for an example...
Brother, I'm not going to agree with you as you explain. Please just explain what it is. Go ahead.
I'm asking you, do you know what it is or not?
No, I don't know what it is. Go ahead and explain it.
Oh, okay, cool. So it's an apparatus that uses light on a static axis and a moving detector on a rotating axis to differentiate between when light was sent and when light was received. So if light doesn't travel, then the moment light is turned on, it should touch the exact point that is across from because the receiver is placed in front of the light source or the laser source here. The moment you turn the laser on, it should instantly connect with the receiver. However, the receiver here is made like a tape. So an interferometer spins the receiver. At this point, when you turn the light on, it doesn't hit exactly the point in front of the laser on the receiver. It hits it somewhat behind it, depending on the rotation of where the interferometer is. And we use that to determine the direction and speed of light. And we use a measurement.
You're saying that the sun's light is synonymous with that of a laser? Is that correct?
Forget about the sun. We're just talking about how an interferometer works on Earth here. Is there an issue with how an interferometer works? We're not trying to compare it to anything right now. Let's just keep it very simple and basic. That's how an interferometer works. Is there an objection with how it works?
Exactly. Anyways, go ahead.
I'm not trying. Just tell me, do you have an objection with how interferometer works? Because it depends on the speed of light to operate. You said that
I have a problem with your rebuttal. I have a problem. This whole conversation started because of the GIF that I posted. I have a problem with your rebuttal because my GIF is real life and it's showing how real life is working. And you still haven't.
An interferometer is an object people use. It's a device. What's wrong with how it works? It works depending on the speed of light. You disagreed with there's a speed to light and you don't think that light travels. I agreed with you. So now I'm explaining to you how we apply the speed of light in something with practical use. So there's no disagreement on that light travels. Is there a problem with that? Hello? Hello?
A few moments later.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, the problem that I have with that is we haven't confirmed that that's how the sun works, right? Light traveling.
I agree.
You're applying.
I agree.
I'm done, bro. I'm really done.
I agree with you. We're not talking about the sun. We're just talking about light in a device. Now, if you want to compare it to the light of the sun, is the light of the sun special? I'm pretty sure it's the same photons from a laser or the sun, just on a different spectrum, but it still applies to the same rules. We still measure it in the speed of light, which is 1c. Is there a problem with that? Because you disagree with light traveling at all. And I just demonstrated to you that light traveling has practical applications in our day-to-day life. And since you like measuring tools, which I agree with you, I love measuring tools too, I used an interferometer. Is there a problem with that? I mean, you can disagree with me and demonstrate to me that light doesn't travel using a different apparatus. I don't mind.
2,000 years later.
So how does a spectroscoper? So how does a spectroscoper work if light isn't death?
Isn't a wave. It's measured as a wave function, not as a wave.
What is a wave
Please.
function? It's a wave, isn't it?
Yeah, I was about to bring that up as well. I say it's a wave like function, so it's function like a wave. It doesn't mean it is a wave.
It's if you want to model it mathematically, or if you want to put it on a spectrometer, if you want to get a reading, you interact with it as a wave, is it not?
No, it's just the pattern of the interference that you get from it will be a wave like.
That's it.
There's no interference here. There's no interference here. We're talking about spectroscopy. What interference? What are you talking about? Like I know that a lot of people don't understand the nature of some things like that, especially laymen.
Like you don't understand that if something's flat, it's not fucking curved. I don't know how you can miss that bit.
Nice change of topic, but let's get back to the topic we're at. No, don't change topic.
I posted up earlier for your convenience a laser transition for 28.6 miles.
A laser transition, what does that mean? Where did you post it again? Let me see in chat.
In the side chat.
Yeah, I know it's in the side chat. I'm just scrolling up to see where I put it.
10 past the hour.
1 eternity later.
So I find it interesting, as soon as anyone mentioned anything about lasers, you just went, bakak, refraction.
Yeah, are you saying lasers don't bend? Because they do. They demonstrably do. In reality,
They demonstrably do. How much?
Depending on the medium they travel through, and the density of it.
Show us.
On the medium. So I'll provide you the medium. I'll do the math for you.
Show us visibly where a laser is bending and which direction.
It bends from least to most.
Yeah, show us in the chat an
there
image.
Are pictures in the chat. There are pictures. There are pictures in chat of laser bending. I posted one. Gris posted mine because I don't have access to posting pictures, so I posted the link.
That's not just going through air, my friend.
I mean, we can do it through air.
That is going through another medium. We're talking about a laser getting shot through air, horizontally, across 28.6 miles in the air.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
But the noise, I don't agree that light travels. That's the problem.
Truly, you have a dizzying intellect.
Wait till I get going! Where was I?
Not going through water, not going through any other mediums, air only. That's it.
Is air fluid?
Is air a fluid? Fluid as in the term, hold on. Fluid as in gas, liquid, solid fluid, or fluid as in it has fluid-like characteristics?
Okay, that's literally below, that's primary school material. What is
okay, it's not a fucking fluid. It's a gas.
Yeah, so it's just going to be one medium. That's going to be.
Is a gas a fluid?
It's not going to be refracting.
Okay, this is the reason why I asked him, KC, as in fluid-like, as in has fluid-like characteristics, or is it a liquid? Because some people use the term fluid as in liquid. Other people use the term fluid as in that is how it behaves, its characteristics. Yes, I heard you said fluid. I'm trying to establish fluid as in not a fucking gas, not a solid, or it behaves like a fluid. So which one is it?
I asked you if gas is a fluid. You said no.
I asked you a very specific question for a reason. Which one is it? No, you didn't.
I didn't say liquid. I said fluid.
So, fluid as in not a gas, not a solid, or fluid as in, I haven't finished, or fluid as in has fluid-like characteristics. Which one?
Water vapor is a fluid too, you know.
Which one?
That's not how we define the state of matter.
Which
Because air
one?
vapor, because water vapor is also a fluid and a gas. Is it not?
You had your fucking chance with me, cunt. You knew it was coming.